for information.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Estill County, Jackson County in southeast Kentucky, Lee County in southeast Kentucky, Owsley County in southeast Kentucky, western Powell County, Rockcastle County in south central Kentucky, until 10 p.m. At 8:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Winchester to Harris Ferry to Richmond to Bergen, and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Stanton, Irvin, McKee, Beattyville, Mount Vernon, Boonville, Harris Ferry, Palmer, Weston, Cressy, Iron Mount, Fox, Verdon, Powell Valley, Hargett, Waltersville, Clay City, Wiseman Crossing Station, Canberra and Spout Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail, damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Estill, Jackson, Lee, and Owsley. The National Weather Service has issued severe